Kali ini datang. Okay, come to my studio kitchen dah. Okay, so normally lah, okay, they come to our studio must bring the gift mah.
You ask me to bring gift ah. Of
Sure,
course I bring
you
gift.
bring
Takkan datang rumah orang tak ada bawa anything, you know. You have to bring buah tangan. So I bawa. Remember we went to the brick fields and then you like, wah, why they want to eat the banana, they want to eat the leaf, but then they also want the batang also you want to eat. So today this is my challenge to you. You have to cook with the banana trunk.
Hey, normally they visit my studio, they will bring the makanan is basah siap
already. I also bawa crispy chili oil, okay?
Okay, so I know you today want to cook the satay, right? Okay? So, but I don't want to give you kacang. Okay, I will give you the green beans. So, boleh tak masak satay?
Challenge accepted. I will do it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. God, this is gonna be a nightmare. So, sebab you kasih I kacang hijau, I have to like boil it first.
Lalu sangrai blend saja.
Yeah. Okay. Ini ambil masa, so I have to boil it sampai dia macam pecah lah, ini soft.
Tapi betul-betul boleh bau yang dia rasa tidak keluar dah.
Memang
okay. And then we just add in the plum sugar and then nice one.
Yeah, but that's not the recipe today sebab you suruh I masak satay.
Satay.
Okay. So while that's boiling, I'm going to cut up some bawang and we're going to blend sekali satay punya sauce dengan dia punya marinade untuk satay ayam.
Okay.
Banyak bawang, maknanya manis lah. Galangal, maybe about 1 inch. Tak nak banyak sangat sebab nanti dia pahit sangat. Okay. And then ginger. So about 2 inch.
With add in the galangal with ginger?
Ginger a little bit more sharp the taste.
Okay,
macam pedas sikit. Galangal dia macam aroma. A bit aroma, betul. And then kita letak bawang putih. Bawang putih. And then buah keras. So lemongrass again, bash a bit. Okay, and then just roughly cut lah.
Small.
Yeah. And then the ujung-ujung the one lah.
Oh, so for the ili we're using the water lah. Okay, sebab kan kalau untuk orang Cina kan, okay, dulu saya kerja chef kan, kita akan banyak gunakan minyak untuk blend. Okay, sebab semasa kita nak tumiskan kan, tak payah tambah minyak lagi.
Betul lah.
Terus.
Rasa. Lain kali saya buat macam tu. Oopsie daisy. Okay, chili kering.
Okay, so this one must soak into the hot water.
Yes.
Make it more lembut lah. Okay.
So kalau nak pedas lagi boleh tambah lagi lah. Okay.
So, can smell the rasa Malaysia.
Rempah-rempah Malaysia.
Rempah-rempah Malaysia.
Tengah kita akan gunakan untuk marinate kita punya ayam.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe chef you can
cut the chicken.
So ayam ni selalunya kalau nak potong, nak senang potong, Ili akan letak dalam freezer sekejap lah. So yang ini chicken chop yang kita guna hari ni. Chicken chop sebab dia ada lemak, ada skin. Texture pun lagi sedap. Dia juicy. So chicken, then we put in some marinade.
Okay.
See? So
a bit only.
A bit ni. Cukup lah.
And then we add in the salt.
And then some kunyit powder. Some sugar, yes. Then you just marinate lah. Kalau you marinate overnight lagi power lah. So we just put this in the fridge lah.
Okay, sure.
Kasih dia marinate. Here I have some
udang
kering AB, but this one atas punya. This one beli daripada Korea. So for you special. Okay. Okay, so I need you to just tumbuk for me. Really, just bash a bit ni, sikit-sikit. Sebab
banyak minyak.
Kena banyak minyak.
Kalau dia tak ada minyak, dia tak akan pecah minyak.
Betul. So I always add in the busuk-busuk stuff. Sekejap saja.
Because it's very halus lah. So kalau lama sangat dia akan hangus.
Yes.
Okay, chef.
Okay, chef. So kita nak buat kuah sedap kan? So kita masukkan semua lah.
Oh, wangi.
Yeah, how you open this?
Wow, look at the handsome person, right? Okay, they can tell me. Saya tahu punya perempuan biasa nampak lelaki yang handsome akan macam ni punya. Okay. Kalau nampak lelaki biasa-biasa bawa anak, dia boleh buka punya.
Okay, sure. Okay, so now we're gonna add, because we suka pedas, right? We're gonna add some chili bone. Tapi bila saya masak macam tumis-tumis ni kan, saya akan letak garam at every step lah.
Oh, okay. So masuk dia, kalau dia dah pecah minyak, you masuk garam. Dia, you masukkan cilipo, lepas tu you akan masuk garam.
Garam sikit. Then you adjust lah.
Oh, gak pernah macam ini. Kalau biasa kalau saya masakkan.
Last lah.
Last. Might be the last one.
So, I don't know it's a petua, tapi like for me, it's like macam you building the flavour.
Okay.
So, bila you letak masa dia tengah masak, macam tengah nak tumis, the tumis and the salt macam build a flavour. And then dah sampai tumis, you add another one, another ingredient, you have to top up the salt.
Normally kalau kita nak nampak dia punya warna lebih cantik kan, kita akan masukkan seasoning dengan last kali.
Okay, but itu very Chinese way of doing.
So Szechuan also is like this lah.
Szechuan also like this cook.
Because the sugar will become the caramels.
Correct.
So will make your sauce become the dark one.
Correct. Okay. So now I'm going to add in a bit of plum sugar for the sweetness. Then we're going to add in the sour. So we have spicy, sweet, salty. And now we're going in with the sour air asam. Okay, so now we have to like cook it down again. And then again, yeah, so again I'm going to add in seasoning. Because just now when I boil, I tak letak garam lah. I just boil water only. So we need to season it lah. Okay lah, so we just let this cook until the kacang macam hancur a bit more. And then lastly, we put the santan lah. Bila dia dah macam naik minyak sikit, dah kering sikit.
Dah lembut lah.
Dah lembut. Tapi masih macam keras lagi lah. You boleh tambah santan.
Santan.
Yes. Okay, santan ni dua fungsi lah. Kasih dia rasa lemak sikit. Flavor. Okay, so this one also now bila dah letak santan kan, season balik lah sikit. So every time you add something, season a bit more. So santan ni kalau guna santan paket dia akan ambil masa sedikit lah untuk pecah minyak.
Yes, betul. Yes. Kalau you gunakan santan fresh
lagi
more
cepat
easier lah.
So we just let that cook down and bubble and then sampai it becomes really thick like satay sauce and then we're ready. Now where's your okay.
But the smell is like the lontong. Really like the lontong one.
Cukup nak?
Small. Sedap.
Sedap.
Hui.
It's not like kuah satay, but it tastes like kuah satay, but you're like, it's not kuah satay. Does that make sense? Macam-macam, tapi tak.
Tapi dia bukan kuah satay. Tapi
boleh.
Rasa dia memang macam kuah satay.
So satay selalunya I will soak in water.
Why?
So when you grill it, you don't burn the lidi. So make sure bila you cucuk the satay also, is like the lemak is in the between. This one salah already.
Okay. So the kulit lah.
Correct. So the kulit will keep the chicken moist. And tak payah macam terlalu close together also. Give some space. Because if you put too close together, then the chicken one doesn't cook. And then it also the caramelization doesn't happen sebab you create steam. Then sebab kita bukan kat luar, kita tak boleh bakar sate, kita grill saja. So we tambah a little bit of minyak, kasih dia betul-betul panas sebelum kita letak kita punya ayam.
Okay, you need to make sure the pan is hot.
Very hot. Wah! Then got the sizzle. You got kiap-kiap ah?
Ada. So we need the kipas.
Weh. Over lah ni. Just like Chinese style, you put the meat, you don't touch.
Wow, you know so
I thought Chinese
because when you touch the meat will become the hijau one, and no nice.
And tak ada dia punya colour brown dia.
Caramel, nice one.
So kalau tak cukup gula, dia takkan colour macam ni lah.
How to tengok dia dah masak?
You
cuba makan.
You picit-picit lah kalau dia macam masih lembut.
Okay.
Ataupun dia masih macam fish ball.
Oh, okay.
Dia kenyal kan. And then it bounce back, that means belum masak lagi lah. Tapi kalau you poke it and it's soft, dia boleh terus tembus. Dia dah keras, maknanya masak lah tu. Ini tip lah kalau nak masak ikan bakar ataupun ayam bakar ataupun sate kat rumah. You add in like maybe 2 tablespoons of water, then you cover. Okay, you cover. So dia akan steam dia punya ayam, steam dia punya ikan kat dalam. So you let it cook until the air evaporate.
Okay.
Bila air dah evaporate, so ni definitely dah dry.
And then we can open the cover.
Yes, and then
I saw it.
and dia tak hangus lah.
Paling cantik kan kita boleh nampak kan dia punya ayam kan atas ada minyak titik.
Correct.
Oh, very nice one.
Very nice. So
Okay,
here it is.
you want to try,
Challenge accepted. Kuah kacang hijau dengan sate. Silakan.
Okay, kita try sate dulu without the kuah. Oh,
Good lah.
lembut oh.
Wah. Looks good.
Dia berap sekejap dia pun masuk bau kan. Oh, nice one.
Not so manis, right?
Yeah, nice one.
Okay, go.
Betul
Boleh
macam sate
Macam sate ya?
Tapi ada sikit dessert punya rasa lah. Ada sikit rasa kacang hijau.
Memanglah, bukan dessert lah, itu rasa kacang hijau.
If who is the allergic with the peanut, so you can try this kacang
Recipe.
hijau.
But I think it's success.
Boleh.
You rate my how out of 10?
Then I will give the 8.
8.
Oh, but it's the one thing is the because the cocok belakang is kotor dah. Kalau is the bersih, cantik.
Allah, sebab cocok belakang dia kotor, dia kasih air 8. Sang cocok je kau tahu. Thank you for having me. It's been a lot of fun.
Okay, sure.
Cooking with you in your kitchen. And I hope you guys like this recipe.
And try it at home.
Yes. If you like this video, comment below. If you want to see me and Chef Jia masak together again, komen lah.
So saya boleh selalu kacau ini.
Sabar.